Morning, Sydney. We are out at Parramatta today. So we are visiting the new Tesla. Well, actually, I don't know how new it is, but it has moved from the old location on just near Church Street, Parramatta. The Tesla Service Centre. So it's now on James Risch Drive, Parramatta. We are here to talk about all things Model X. So what is it? Well, we have just ticked over 10,000 kilometres on the car. So it's been just over a year. So right there, we've done 10,023 kilometers since owning the car. And so I'll do a separate video when I've got time just around a long-term review of this car. But for this video, I just want to go over the things that I'm changing or getting checked out as a part of the 10,000 kilometer routine. So obviously there is a tire rotation, brake fluid check, and actually I'll move the camera this way and I'll put the overlay of the estimate that I've got over here so you can see as I read. So I've got brake fluid check, we've got tyre rotation, AC desiccant replacement, windshield camera area precision cleaning. Then in terms of issues, I've got two things that I've put up. So AC for the split system. So basically in the back section, the heating actually doesn't work. So it's blowing out cold air. So getting that checked out. And then I've also noticed the last one there is something that I wasn't sure if it's due to the cold weather, but what I've noticed recently is if I put my foot on the brakes to close the door when the car's all starting up, I do notice a heavy shudder on the brake pedal. So doesn't really feel normal. Haven't kind of experienced that previously, so getting that checked out. Either way, the total estimated cost is $1,456.24. It's an estimate, so once it goes through, once they've done the checks for the day, they'll basically update me through the day through the app, through the messaging app, with updated estimates and fixes and everything, and then I just need to approve it, and then Bob's your uncle, and that's it. But in a nutshell, all I need to do, like organizing the service was so good and so easy. Now, I am going to do a screen overlay in a moment for everything that you see on the app once you've booked. So basically, you book the service through the app. You basically list all your issues. I'll do a separate video to cover that shortly, sometime in the next week or two, if not sometime even sooner. But basically, what you see on the screen is just the fact that I've already booked it in, I've approved the estimates, and we are here to drop the vehicle off. So on the day of service, this is essentially what you see. So you can see there, up next is drop vehicle off today. Basically, if I tick on that up next drop vehicle off today, you can see here we're currently on step 4 of 8. So if I actually go back to step 3 of 8, 2 of 8, and 1 of 8. So 1 of 8 is just the preparation complete. So basically what happens there is once you've booked it in, booked the date and the time, they might message you to get any clarifications they need, and then they'll discuss it through there. Once that's all done and locked in, they'll send you an estimate for you to review. And again, this is all on the app, so you can see it very clearly, each line item, what they are going to check along with the costs. So it's fantastic. So in my instance, it's $1,456.24. If I hit view estimate, you will then see the same thing that I showed you on screen before, which is what has been approved. And there's a PDF document down the bottom over there. If you click on that, it just brings it up in PDF format, actual line items, part numbers or estimated part numbers they need to use, and so forth. Now, because this is just an estimate, I will not go through that. So heading back, you can see there that's step 2. Then step 3 is prepare for drop-off. So we've got drop-off instructions over here. So if I tick on that, it just says, please park within Tesla premises. You'll be able to confirm drop-off through the app, which is fantastic. So actually, I just need to drive in, park my car, and then hit drop-off. Step 4, on the day, so this morning, this updated, and it said closer to the time that I can hit navigate and drop-off instructions. So drop-off instructions we've just gone through. If I hit navigate, it actually sends the directions to the service center to my car. Like, mind blown. How convenient is that? Like, they've totally nailed it. Anyways, after that, step 5, repair progress. So you can track repair progress once you've kicked that off. Step 6 is pay the invoice. So service summary should allow you to see the summary of everything that's been done along with the invoice itself. Stage 7 is pick up vehicle. Now, navigate to pick up vehicle is because your phone versus where your car is parked. And then you can do pick up instructions, which I guess gives you more details, basically saying once you're there upon an arrival, you just need to talk to a advisor and then pick up your vehicle. And then step 8 is just to review the summary and provide feedback. And the reason why navigate on that pickup thing is so important is because with the newer cars, you actually don't even have to hand over your keys in instances. They can actually have access to your car. So you can actually just drop it off. If you don't have time, you can go, you can let them know. And then all you need to do is navigate to your car, walk to your car, get in and go. And it's a seamless experience. But as I said, I'll cover the service side off in another video. Either way, that's the summary. $1,456 is the estimate. After this video, I'm going to cut it here. I'll record once we've got all the estimates as we go through the day. And then we'll do a final part on when we pick up the car. So stay tuned. So we've just parked the car and this automatically pops up. So it's clearly linked to the GPS. Service tips: open your Tesla app, follow the instructions, stay updated, review, summary, and pick up. All of that automatically showing up as soon as I've parked the vehicle in the service area. So this is just the outside. Quite a few Teslas over here. So yeah, that's basically it. We'll see you soon. All right, just a midday check-in in terms of how we're going with the car and what you essentially see in the app, just to keep you all informed. So up on screen, you'll see now, I'm just reading off here, so you'll see exactly what I see. Service in progress, you've got a ETA there, so 4:30 p.m. today. If you click on that, you essentially see pickup and repair progress. So you can see first 2 items, maintenance is resolved. Same thing with the courtesy inspection. So this is just at a quick glance. And if you want to see more details, click into it, you just touch it. And then so you come back to the repair progress screen. So you can see over here, technician notes. So brake fluid check performed. Condition of brake fluid is still within specs. No replacement needed. Tire rotation is resolved. You can see there left to right and rebalanced. No signs of abnormal wear and tear. Corrected tire pressures to 42 psi. Verified proper fitment. Reset tire service mileage with automatic TPMS learn completed. And then AC service, maintenance, heating, AC, all of that repair in progress, and courtesy inspection is all done as well. So that's basically all of it. You can, I guess, see whatever it is you want. All the status updates are basically there. It's marked as green if it's done, and if it's in progress, it's got that blue bar over there. And down the bottom, you'll see message service. It's actually to communicate directly with them over there. So if there's any questions or anything, if there's updates on quotes or any figures, they'll actually drop it in the message. You get an SMS and you also get a notification on your phone in order to manage it from there and to approve any estimates that you need. So very, very handy, but just thought I'd keep you informed in terms of the progress on how we're going. So stay tuned and I'll get you posted towards the end of the day. All right, so we've just got an SMS. So basically what you see on the screen is now just pay invoice. So when you click on that, it says amount due right there, 1112.71. I just need to hit pay and then it actually charges my account on file. Can also then go to service summary, which then you can actually see everything here along with all of the relevant details. And all of this actually gets put out into a PDF format as well, so you can see everything line by line. So yeah, that's basically the update. So the day's cost is $1,112.71, and I've still got a Uber voucher for me to get back to pick up the car later this afternoon. And yeah, that's it. So next video, or next bit of this video, let's skip towards picking it up, and yeah, we'll get the amount paid and then we'll pick up the car, and that's it. So I'm back driving in the car. The total damage was the $1,100 something. So pretty much everything was fixed with exception to the heater at the back. So I need to order in another part to get it fixed. And yeah, that's about it. So hopefully you found all of this helpful. If you are owning a Model X, that probably gives you insight to some of the costs involved and some of the things that can go wrong, and a part of, I guess, routine maintenance as well. So that wraps things up. Make sure you give this video a like, subscribe for more content, and we'll see you soon.